You click that button to add a new tool to your van, and a tiny box pops up to tell you there are no returns. None. Zero. Once you buy it, it is yours forever. That is a bold move for a company selling a high-stakes plumbing tool. I saw this budget-friendly press tool popping up in every supplier ad lately, and I had to see what the hype was about. It is designed to run on the standard 18-volt batteries that almost every plumber already has stacked in their truck. That is a smart play. It removes the need to buy into a whole new battery system just to get a crimp done. You just slide in the pack you already own and get to work. The stats on this thing are actually impressive. We're talking about over 7,000 pounds of hydraulic force. That matches exactly what the heavy-duty industry leaders offer. It handles copper from half an inch all the way up to 2 inches. It even works with all the major universal jaws and fittings on the market. The design is slim and inline. If you have ever been stuck under a kitchen sink trying to crimp a fitting with a bulky tool, you know that every inch matters. This thing fits where others cannot. It gets between studs without a fight. On the surface, it looks like a total win. But we have to talk about the reality of the professional world. These tools eventually need calibration. The big names in the business usually hit that point after 40,000 cycles. They have authorized service centers in every major city. If your gear goes down, you have a support system. With a house brand like this, those lines are a bit blurry. It comes from a single supplier out in Utah. If it breaks during a massive commercial job, you are looking at shipping it away and waiting for weeks. Downtime is the silent killer of a profitable day. I also noticed those massive discounts floating around online. When a tool is constantly nearly 50% off, you have to wonder if the original price was ever real. It feels like a bit of a psychological game to make the deal look sweeter than it is a classic yellow flag. This is not necessarily a bad tool. It is just a specific tool for a specific person. If you are a part-time pro or a serious hobbyist who only needs to press a few fittings a week, the savings are hard to ignore. You get the power of the big brands without the 4-figure price tag. But if you are pressing pipe every single day to put food on the table, that lack of a service network is a huge risk. You are trading peace of mind for a lower entry price. You have to decide if that trade is worth it when the pressure is on and the clock is ticking. It is a solid piece of hardware that does exactly what it says on the box. Just make sure you are comfortable with the fact that once you buy it, there is no going back. It is a one-way street with a very powerful machine at the end of it. You are buying the ability to move fast and save money, but you are also buying the responsibility of handling your own repairs if things go south. It is a gamble that depends entirely on how much you value your time when things go wrong. For some, it is the bargain of the decade. For others, it is a risk that could cost them a client. Now you can make that choice with all the facts on the table.